Ever walk down endless aisles of cabinets, feeling overwhelmed by styles, prices, and endless specs? Yeah, I get it. Those confusing choices can stall any remodel. In this video, I'm cutting through the noise, pinpointing the top kitchen cabinets, so you can pick the perfect fit right now. Product number 1. Sauder Select Storage Cabinets / Pantry Cabinets. Wow, folks, imagine walking into a kitchen that feels like a fresh, organized dream. Today I'm diving into the Sauder Select Storage Cabinet, the pantry powerhouse in a crisp white finish that just screams modern simplicity. Honestly, this isn't just a cabinet, it's a game changer. Sturdy hardwood construction, smooth glide drawers that practically slide themselves out, and a sleek, minimalist design that blends into any decor. Trust me, the built-in shelf system lets you stack everything from cereal boxes to spice racks, while the adjustable divider keeps your jars neat and your hands free. Look, the easy-to-clean laminate surface means spills are no big deal. Just wipe it down, and it's as good as new. Plus, the solid wood frame gives that warm, premium feel without the hefty price tag of high-end brands. I've set it up in my own kitchen, and the extra space feels like a breath of fresh air, especially during those holiday baking marathons. So if you're craving extra storage with style, hit that link in the description right now for the best active discounts today. Product number 2. Sauder HomePlus Storage Cabinets / Pantry Cabinets. Now, if you thought our last pick from Sauder was impressive, wait until you see this. Moving right along, I have the Sauder HomePlus Storage Cabinet and Pantry Cabinet in that gorgeous Dakota oak finish. Honestly, if your kitchen, hallway, or utility room is crying out for some serious organization, look no further. Wow, the Dakota oak finish just brings such a warm, inviting, and natural vibe into any space. Trust me, it completely elevates the room while doing the heavy lifting of hiding all your clutter. What makes this HomePlus version such a fantastic step up is how effortlessly it blends high capacity with stunning rustic charm. Behind those sturdy doors, you get adjustable shelving to fit everything from tall cereal boxes to bulky small appliances. Assembly is straightforward, and the build quality feels wonderfully solid. No wobbly particle board nonsense here. It is just a gorgeous, practical powerhouse for your home. If you are ready to reclaim your floors and finally get organized, you have got to check this out. Just click the link down in the description below to find the best active discounts available today. Product number 3. Bollove Black Paper Towel Holder. Now that I have all our pantry goods neatly organized inside that Sauder storage cabinet, let us talk about a tiny kitchen upgrade that makes a massive difference every single day: the Bollove Black Paper Towel Holder. Honestly, I did not think I would get this excited about a paper towel holder, but wow, it is just so sleek. Look, nobody wants ugly hardware ruining their kitchen aesthetic, right? And this is where the Bollove really shines. It features a gorgeous matte black finish that looks expensive, but best of all, it is a self-adhesive paper towel holder under cabinet, meaning zero drilling and zero destroy drywall, which is a massive win if you are renting or just hate breaking out the power tools. Trust me, the adhesive backing is seriously strong, so it stays put without wobbling when you are frantically ripping off a sheet with messy hands. You can mount it vertically or horizontally, so it completely adapts to your kitchen layout. If you want to tidy up your counters and add a modern touch, check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 4. Jin&Bao Under Sink Mat 34 inches by 22 inches. Hey guys, last time I talked about the Bollove Black Paper Towel Holder. Trust me, it was a game changer for keeping the kitchen tidy. Today I'm excited to show you the next upgrade for your cabinets: the Jin&Bao Under Sink Mat 34 inches by 22 inches, a waterproof silicone liner that fits perfectly behind your sink. Honestly, the moment you slide it in, you feel that instant splash-proof protection, No more damp spots or moldy corners. Wow, the silicone is super flexible, so it molds to every curve and even grips the cabinet walls, preventing slips. Plus, it's easy to clean. Just a quick wipe or a rinse, and it looks brand new. The size is just right for most standard sinks, giving you that clean, organized look without sacrificing space. And the best part? It's eco-friendly, so you're not just saving your cabinets, but also the planet. Look, if you want a smooth, dry, and stylish under-sink area, this mat is your go-to. Check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 5. Yizosh Metal Pantry Cabinet. Now, since I just got that under-sink area looking so clean and organized with the Jin&Bao mat, let us move on to the ultimate storage upgrade for the rest of your kitchen, the Yizosh Metal Pantry Cabinet. Honestly, if your counters are constantly cluttered and your cupboards are overflowing, you need to see this. Wow, this thing stands at a very impressive 75 inches tall, giving you massive vertical storage without eating up all your floor space. Look, inside you get 2 main doors opening up to reveal 4 fully adjustable shelves. That means you can easily customize the interior layout to fit everything from tall cereal boxes and heavy appliances to stacks of dinnerware. It is made of sturdy white metal, making it super durable and sleek enough for your kitchen, dining room, living room, or even the bathroom. Trust me, assembly is straightforward, and once it is set up, it completely transforms the look of your room while hiding all your mess. Do yourself a massive favor and check the link down in the description right now for the best active discounts today. That wraps up our comprehensive list for today. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for updated pricing. And I will see you in the very next video.